Greetings, me hardy half-wits. Blabbers, no sail? No revenge? Did you lose your nerve?
Not at all, Great Cat Krishmo. I'm just going to wait until you get done reading.
Please tell me you're not gonna sing.
Don't tempt me.
All right. Devotion 53. 4,000 men were dead in the battle versus the Philistines. The elders of Israel were frantically asking, why has God done this? Why has he let us lose the battle? Why did he let so many people die? That would have been an excellent time to stop everything, find the problem, and get it right before going back to battle. But instead, they made the most horrible, unthinkable decision imaginable. 1 Samuel 4:3. And when the people were come into the camp, the elders of Israel said, wherefore hath the Lord smitten us today before the Philistines? Let us fetch the ark of the covenant of the Lord out of Shiloh unto us, that when it cometh among us, it may save us out of the hand of our enemies. They fetched the ark of the covenant so that it could save them. I understand that the word fetch did not to them bring to mind the picture of a drooling dog chasing a meaningless stick and bringing it back as it does to us, but their thought process on it was just about as bad as that. They regarded the ark of God as some kind of magic box that they could drag around to do their bidding. Rather than trusting a him, they put their faith in an it, a box, understanding neither the significance of the ark nor of the God who gave it to them. Do understand the significance of holy things, the Bible, church, etc., and the God who gave them to us. Our its are only precious when we understand their connection to Him.
A good lesson. Better not take things for granted.
Are you going to get revenge, or what? I am almost disappointed. What sort of pirate are you?
I'm gonna go cook.
Wait, no! Don't you remember what happened last time?